Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today I'm at my friend's house, and we're gonna put a mirror here, and also a toilet paper rack, and what else, Marty? What else we doing?
That's about it.
That's it?
Yeah.
We're gonna put a towel rack, but this is a towel warmer, and we're missing some parts, so if we could find the parts, we're gonna put the parts up. Okay, so the mirror came with this bracket to put like this, and the mirror is gonna lay right on it. So you just gotta figure out where you want the mirror, mark the hole, and start drilling some holes. Okay, what I did was mark the middle here, and we're just gonna line it up with the faucet, which is the middle. And I already put it 4 inches. I marked one mark over here. I'm just gonna drill and use that as a pivot point, I guess, to mark the other one. Okay, get yourself some anchors. We got these, and has a 3/16 bit that comes with it, but this bit sucks to go through tile, so we got tile bits, and they'll work a lot better. So let's drill. All right, guys, just put a screw here just to hold it, and what I'm gonna do is put the level on and level it, and then mark the other hole. Okay. That's level. I'm just gonna put some anchors. All right, guys. So we decided to go another route. We got these hangers for the mirror. We're just gonna use these instead of that bar, and we're just gonna leave it a little loose because they're gonna hang the mirror and then mark the other holes. All right, guys, so we just hung the mirror on these things for now, and now we sanded it, and we're just gonna, mark where the next hole is gonna be. Just gonna lay the mirror at the bottom there and slide it over to the one clip. There you go. All right, so now we just gotta put this other clip over here. That's it. All right, mirror's out. Let's move on to the other thing. We're gonna put the toilet paper holder. All right, guys, so we're just gonna put this here. He already drilled one hole. This piece has to go in there, so I just gotta drill the other hole, and then after that, this thing is gonna go right over this, and we screw the set screw, keep it in place, and that's it. It's pretty easy. Now you can put this in how you want it, and then use the set screw. I give it this little Allen key. All right, that's that. That's it. All right, guys. Next, we're gonna install this towel rack. It's actually a towel warmer. You plug it in, and it heats up the towels. I think this is popular in Europe. Is that right, Martin?
Yes, popular in Europe.
Popular in Europe. When I went to Europe, I saw it. So anyway, mark the middle. I got a dot here for the middle. I'm just gonna hook, that's gonna be the middle line there. And then the top of this, I'm just gonna make it even with this grout line. I'll do it like that. This is level, so. All right, guys, so we put some tape to mark where we want to put these, and we measure these guys. That's 3.5 inches from the top there. So what we did, I just took a ruler and put a level, marked it, and that's your 3.5 inches from going from this grout line down 3.5 inches. So now we're gonna drill those 2 holes And then I'm gonna worry about the other two on the bottom. All right, guys, so put tape straight down. Use a level to draw a straight line and mark your other hole on the bottom. All right, guys, so now you have these brackets. They're gonna go in here like this to give you a little screw. So what you're gonna do is screw it down there like that. And then you're gonna use these round things. These are gonna get screwed onto the wall like that. So what happens is these brackets are gonna go right over this like that. And then you have a set screw, and that's how it holds it to the wall, okay? And make sure the set screw is on the bottom. All right, guys, this bracket is different than all the other ones, and that's because it has this notch on it for the cord. So the cord is gonna go down, and then this, I'm gonna use this screw to screw it around to here. So the way this looks is like that, okay? And then you screw it onto there. All right, guys, we put these things on, and we're ready to mount this this rack. Now, if you happen to see this, I don't know if you can see it on there, but this slides up and down. You're able to slide this up and down if this doesn't fit exactly right. So you have a little bit of adjustment on these. These are, you know, fixed, so you can't do anything with that. So we're just gonna throw it on. Go ahead, Martin. I'll let you do the honors. All right, guys, we got the towel rack on there. All we gotta do is tighten up those set screws underneath here. All right, guys, we got this thing is getting warm. Pretty cool, this thing. I should put one of these in my house. But this gets plugged in there, and it has like a little, see that? It has a switch over here that lights up. But pretty cool. So now you know how to put on a mirror, that thing, and the most important thing is this. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Say goodbye to my friend Martin.
Bye-bye.
Bye.